tell you a story about one of us. Come on, we mustn't be late. Keep together, kids. Don't get lost. It's going to be a busy day. Ready? Yes, sir. Come on, let's go, Dad. Come on.
What's going on?
Perhaps you'll talk about us.
The bear stories are always so interesting. Interesting like us.
Where is he? I don't see him. I bet he stopped to eat some honey in the bees chapter. We all know how greedy he is.
I want the kids to learn about predators. He's coming.
Quit that jumping.
I see it all here. Well, today the great book of nature is open at another chapter. And you're going to learn all about the pig.
Hi, what are you doing here?
Hoping to keep the park tidy. Hey, how did this fall over?
You can't fool me. I bet you're on your way to buy a ticket to the football game. Just like me.
You shouldn't drop stuff all over the ground, Norbert. It's not nice.
Aw, shut up.
Hopeless. If you don't get a move on, there won't be any tickets left.
Wait, we'll go together.
All right, but quit dawdling. Let's go.
All right. Oh, darn it. You go on ahead.
Okay, I'll get tickets for both of us.
Now I can take it easy. Divine. This one's sour.
Move that trash can over a bit. Hello there, youngster. Haven't seen you before in these parts.
I just moved into the neighborhood, sir. Are you the gardener?
Oh, yes, gardener, caretaker, whatever the park needs.
Let me help you.
Not many people in the park today. They're all going to the football game.
Oh, golly whiz! I gotta get my ticket.
I got the last two on sale.
I'd better go make sure just in case.
Well, youngster, were you able to get yourself a ticket?
No, sir. They were all sold out. So I thought I'd come back and help you for a while.
That's mighty kind of you.
I'll just
yes.
stomp these down. Well, sir, am I doing a good job?
Very good, youngster. I just wish everyone was as well-intentioned and as helpful as you. That way the park would be as neat as a pin.
Only thing is, I'm afraid you'd be out of work. Could I ask you a question, sir?
Why, sure, son. Ask away.
You got 2 tickets, and there's only one of you, so I was wondering if...
Of course you can have the ticket, son. It's a good idea. You deserve it for all the work you've done. Here you are. Enjoy the game.
Thank you. Thank you. You don't know how happy you've made me. I've got a ticket for the game. I've got a ticket for the game.
Have a good time, son.
Let's see what I got in my pockets. I'd better do a little cleaning up here. This should do it. Missed the trash can. Oh well.
Oh no! Norbert's throwing his trash out the window again.
Wait.
Hey, that looks like a ticket to the ball game. It must be Norbert's. I bet he threw it out with the trash.
Oh, this tomato's not so good.
Who did that? Come out! That was a terrible thing to do!
What happened, Mr. Goat?
Someone throwing tomatoes on the path!
I hit the gardener. Oh, if he finds out it was me who did it.
I'm gonna find out who did it!
No, wait! Maybe someone just dropped it accidentally.
Well, I'm gonna find out!
I gotta get rid of all the evidence. Here. Yes.
You found that ticket in the trash?
That's right. It was lying on the ground.
Then it wasn't Norbert. Keep the ticket, son.
Oh, do you really mean it?
There's no time to find the owner, so we'll just go to the stadium. You go ahead, I'll follow.
You have something to do first?
Oh, I just want to investigate this mess for another minute or two.
Where's my ticket? Could I have thrown it out with the trash?
You're turning this beautiful park into a garbage dump. Stop that.
No, this isn't it. This neither. No. Let's go to the stadium. Come back here, you thief! Give me my ticket!
Oh, no, you don't, youngster. You've got to clean up the mess you made here. Now look what you've done, dagnabbit.
Give me back my ticket!
Hurry up, you guys! It's getting late! Come on!
Come on.
Oh, come back here with my ticket, you thief! You purse snatcher, you!
What was that?
Hey! I know you got my ticket. Come on, admit it.
What are you talking about?
You stole my ticket.
I found it in the trash on the path.
Maybe you did, but even so, it's still mine. I threw it out by mistake.
Then it was you who threw all that stuff on the path, Norbert.
Yes, but so what? I want my ticket back, you dirty thief. Come on, hand it over.
You certainly have a nerve calling Carlisle nasty names when he cleaned up that mess you made back there. Here's a list of your bad deeds for today. You knocked over the trash cans. You got the pond so filthy it'll have to be drained. You destroyed 8 yards of picket fence.
Oh, dear, oh, dear, oh, dear.
You threw a large bag of garbage out the window. You threw a large tomato out the window, which splashed on me and ruined my best shirt.
When are you going to learn to behave yourself, Norbert?
You're absolutely right. I behaved like a hooligan, and I'm truly, deeply sorry. In future, I'll do my very best to improve myself, and I'll clean things up.
All right, I'm delighted to see you recognize the error of your ways. Just remember the whole community is influenced by your actions.
All spectators, take your seats. The game is about to start.
Here, it's your ticket after all. Go ahead.
No, I really don't deserve
You
to go,
both
Carlisle.
go. I'll give you my other ticket, because I hate to see 2 keen youngsters like you miss the final. But in exchange, you have to promise me you'll help clean up the park, Norbert.
Of course I promise. I'll get to work on it right now.
It's all right, son. There'll be plenty for you to do tomorrow morning. Just come in bright and early. Now off you go. Enjoy the game.
Don't you want to see it, sir?
I'll see it in my easy chair on TV.
This is really awfully kind of you, sir. I don't know how to thank you.
I'll show you lots of ways tomorrow in the park. Now get going.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Daddy! I'll help!
Thanks, Herschel.
The pumpkins are sure huge this year, Daddy.
Yes, it's a bumper crop for pumpkins. What I mean is a bumper crop.
Yeah, they're
for
not bad, are
pumpkins.
they?
They're as big as houses.
And believe you me, gathering them is plenty hard work.
Well, I could come help you if you like. I'll bet I could think of a way of doing it easier.
No more of that
Father?
smart talk or I'll spank your bottoms blue.
Oh! Think I really could, Daddy. I might come up with a revolutionary idea for pumpkin picking.
Thanks, Herschel, but I'll stick to the tried and true.
Can we take a little rest, Daddy?
Of course not, lazy bones. We've got work to do.
I could help Herschel with his homework.
That's all right. It's easy stuff.
See, he's smarter than the two of us put together. Now let's get to work.
All right.
Square root of -1?
Ready, Hobart?
Uh-huh. The grass will break the fall.
Oh, dear, oh, dear, oh,
What a
dear.
disaster! Oh, we've got to find another way. I have an idea. We pass a rope around the branch. That way we can lower the pumpkin to the ground slowly.
Sounds like a wonderful idea, Dad.
I think so. It'll work just fine.
Okay, Dad.
Is it tied good and tight?
Absolutely. Well, here goes.
You watch out now, Hobart. Just make sure you cut the pumpkin stem and not the rope with your hatchet.
Oh, Daddy, does it hurt?
You try it and see if you like it.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Hobart. I finished my homework and I'm coming to see if I can give you a hand. I see we had a bit of an accident. I guess your methods are tried all right, Daddy, but they aren't all that true.
I don't understand why the rope didn't slow the pumpkin's descent.
Let's see. Like that. The rope is a floored conical parabolous peculiarity. Yes. This is indeed susceptible of a ready solution.
What's he going to do?
Oh, no.
Herschel, I'd really like to know what you're going to do.
So would I.
You'll see in a minute. Everything's ready. Whee! You can lower the pumpkin now, Daddy.
I've already tried it with the rope. It doesn't work.
Climb the tree, Hobart.
It won't work.
Yes, it will. I've made an important modification.
No, you didn't. It's just hanging from the rope like before.
Just climb the tree, Hobart.
All right. Really think?
I know. We'll lower that pumpkin with no difficulty at all.
All right, but on your head be it.
It won't be on anyone's head. It'll land nice and soft on the grass.
This foolishness isn't going to work. We'll just have another broken pumpkin.
Don't worry. Keep climbing, Hobart. That's it. You're almost there. Now cut it.
All right.
No. Let me hold on, too. Oh. Easy.
We did it!
I still don't understand how you did it.
It all depended on the rope, Daddy.
Huh? I don't get it. I used a rope too, but the pumpkin broke into a billion zillion pieces.
I know. But you forgot one important thing. You see, the rope needs to be given 2 or 3 hitches around the branch first. That way it grabs the surface in such a manner as to avoid friction, and you can lower the pumpkin as slowly or quickly as you like. It's simple, Daddy.
I get the feeling I'm the simple one around here. Good thing you don't take after your dad, Herschel.
Now let's get the harvest home.
La la la. There we go. Easy does it. Good.
Oh, watch out, Daddy!
The pig. How is the pig classified in the animal kingdom? The pig is a mammal belonging to the Artiodactylan order and the Suidae family. They're heavy-set with a large head ending in a flat, very mobile snout. The neck is short and thick and their legs are stumpy. The skin is rough and covered in short bristly hair. How many species are there and where do they live? Domestic pigs are directly descended from the common boar, Sus scrofa, and are to be found more or less all over the world in a wide variety of different breeds. How do they live? Even when pigs are reared in their wild state, they're relatively inactive and seldom move far from where they were born. They usually live in groups made up of one or more females and their piglets. How do they move? They move mainly by trotting zigzag, occasionally breaking into a short spurt or gallop. They can swim and need to have access to somewhere wet so as to enjoy a mud bath. What do they eat? Everything. Pigs are famous for being omnivorous. Their diet is mainly vegetable, but they'll also gladly eat food of animal origin. How do they protect themselves? Generally by running away. The pig's hearing and sense of smell are highly developed, and it will flee as soon as it feels threatened. However, both the male and the female with her piglets can be fiercely aggressive and will fight off aggressors using their teeth as their main weapon. How do they relate to people? Not very well, since pigs are bred exclusively to be eaten. Can they live in the city? Cities are certainly not ideal environments for pigs.
Well, have you all learned a lesson? The moral of the story is that those who seem to be lucky are not always as lucky as they seem. Oh, look who's coming!